Alright, so this was the easiest way I could think to play the chords on this one for a beginner. So you just got to throw a capo on your first fret. If you don't have a capo, check out the description for some links. I got a budget capo down there you can check out. And if you haven't yet, please hit the like and subscribe button so I can keep making these videos for you all. And let's get into it. So again, capo 1, we're going to play, I guess this is sort of like a B minor 7. So your middle finger is going to set down 2nd fret of A, ring finger 2nd fret of G, pinky 2nd fret of B. You just kind of mute out the low E if you can, or just focus your strum from the A string down to the high E. Now what I'm doing is just a simple down, 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 up. Alright. Now this next piece I think is the hardest piece. It's just a weird chord and sort of a weird rhythm to follow. So we've got what I just did there is after your B minor 7, you just hop your middle finger down so that you're actually playing just an A shape now. So your middle finger's down here now on the 2nd fret of the D string, and you're kind of muting out the A string now, which is where your middle finger just was. It was on that 2nd fret of the A, now it hopped down to 2nd fret of the D, and if you can, kind of mute out that A string. Because what we're going to get here is a A shape with an E root note. And that's basically, what is that, just an E sus, I think, E suspended. So we've got down, 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 up. Okay, you hop your middle finger down, up, up, down. Okay, so down, 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 up, 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 down. One more time. Down, 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 up, 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 down. Okay, so that little up, up, down we just did, we're gonna do that again, but we've got to move to another chord real quick. So now ring finger, pinky come off, so all you have left is your middle finger on that 2nd fret of the D, and it's still muting out the A. You set your index finger back here on 1st fret of the G, and now you have just a sort of a simple E chord. I've used this before when I play different songs and stuff, where you're still muting out that A string with the top of your middle finger. Muted. Alright, so here's what we got. Down, 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 up, 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 down, up, up, down. Alright, one more time. Down, 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 up, 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 down, up, up, down. So you leave your fingers where they are now, okay? Index finger's still on that 1st fret of G, middle finger's still on that 2nd fret of D. But if you can, add your ring finger down here on the 2nd fret of the B. Now your middle finger can kind of jump off that A string. So we're going to play an A major 7 shape, okay? Now again, for the A major 7, we're back to the down, 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 up. All right. So taking a look at all this. Down, 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 up, 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 down, up, up, down, 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 up. All right. Now, middle finger stays where it is on 2nd fret of the D. Index finger is going to come up here to 2nd fret of the low E. Ring finger to 2nd fret of the G. And if you can, again, we're going to mute out that A string. So now this is going to be the up, up, down chord. So we're kind of going back and forth between those two strum patterns for each little movement of each chord. So here's what we got. Then it just starts over. say the strum pattern as I'm playing through it here. So we've got down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. All right. So the strum pattern also alternates. So the first time through, you go B minor 7 to your E sus to E, then your A major 7 shape to your F sharp minor shape. But the second time through, you're gonna just stick on that A major 7 shape. So it's gonna sound like this. So see that alternating thing that happens there. Every second time it just stays on the A major 7 shape. So I hope this lesson was helpful for you. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.